Audio Jungle. This is High-Tech News TV News. Chennai Apollo Specialty Hospital's OMR records a milestone in joint care by successfully completing over 150 robotic total knee replacement surgeries in 150 days, setting new standards in surgical precision and patient recovery. Apollo OMR rises to be one of the fastest growing robotic TKR centers in South India. The robotic technology used in their surgeries is Mako Smart Robotics, a product of medical technology company based in USA. For patients with complex knee conditions, the next-gen technology is a minimally invasive and a safer alternative to traditional knee replacement surgery. A team of senior consultant orthopedic surgeons Dr. Venkatraman Swaminathan, Dr. P.R. Thamodaran, Dr. Sendil Kamalasegaran and Dr. Madan Thiruvengadam alongside their teams made this milestone possible. Talking about the technology used for robotic surgeries, Dr. Venkatraman Swaminathan, senior consultant orthopedic surgeon, said, the robotic assisted total knee replacement is not just a technological upgrade but a game changer in orthopedic care. After that, speaking on this occasion, Dr. Ilankumaran Kaliyamurthy, Chief Executive Officer, Apollo Hospitals, Chennai region, said completing 150 robotic knee replacement in just 150 days in a clinical milestone as well as reflection of our commitment to innovation and patient-first care. About the Apollo Hospitals, Apollo revolutionized healthcare when Dr. Pratap Reddy opened the first hospital in Chennai in 1983. Today, Apollo is the world's largest integrated healthcare platform with over 10,400 beds across 74 hospitals, 6,600 pharmacies, 264 clinics, 2,182 diagnostic centers and 800 plus telemedicine centers. It is one of the world leading cardiac centers, having performed over 3 lakhs angioplastics and 2 lakh surgeries. Apollo continues to invest in research and innovation to bring the cutting edge technologies, equipment and treatment protocols to ensure patients have access to the best care in the world.